We're up here in rural New York. There is basically nothing around here, just some dairy farms and a lot of woods and state forest land. So we're gonna climb that fire tower. The fire tower is on top of a mountain that is 1,960 feet high, and the fire tower itself is 59 feet high. So when we get to the top, we'll be 2,019 feet above sea level. And I did some research into this one, and you were able to see 6 different counties from the top of this. So the views seem to be great from up there. I'm kind of excited. And it's a very fall-y feeling day here right now. It's in the 60s, so I'm looking forward to it. Now, I've been on some real rickety fire towers before. These are fire towers that probably should not have been climbed up. The whole thing shook, missing steps, lots of rust, that type of thing. But this particular fire tower, I read there was a grant where people redid it and they fixed it up. They added some safety railings and it's much more secure, and it's a great place to climb now. You can see really far. It's nice and clear today, and we haven't even gone up the tower yet. It's time to climb the tower now. They've even got a picnic table with a nice bench here. There's the tower. We're gonna climb it. Are you ready, bud? You ready to climb it? Mm-hmm. All right. These are really steep steps. Love this. But they're very secure, and there is a railing. I think she's gonna beat me to the top. She's got a great head start on me. How you doing, buddy? Thank you for holding the railing. Do you like this? Is this fun? All right, up we go with the next one. Have you been counting the steps? It's a lot of steps, isn't it? I think it's gonna be worth the climb. We're almost at the top. The views are absolutely incredible up here. So when you get up to the top here, it's entirely enclosed with glass, which is great on a day like today with how windy and cold it is. And there's a nice little table up here. And you look up at the top, it's all weather sealed and enclosed. So it's actually really nice when you get up here. Coming up the stairs, it's a pretty narrow hatch up here. Looks like this door closes some of the time. The stairs are quite steep, and it's pretty tight up here. Look at the rest of our crew here without falling down the stairs. Hey buddy, how was the climb? It shakes a little bit up here if I rock it a little, but I won't do that too much. What do you think, bud? Was it worth the climb? I will say this is one of the nicer fire towers I've ever been to. The top being enclosed like this is extremely rare. I haven't seen many that are like that. Granted, that's probably part of because they're making this into a tourist attraction, but still, it's nice having it enclosed up here. And I definitely recommend coming to climb to this. I'll put the coordinates in the description below so that you know where to find it in case you're in the area. Time to climb back down these steep, narrow stairs. There is a lot. All right, go ahead. Going. Doing a really good job. All right, down we go. Really good job, buddy. It is pretty steep and narrow here. It's something to keep in mind coming down. It looks a lot steeper than coming up. Thank you for holding the breath. We are getting real close now. More than halfway down. All right. So what did you guys think about that tower? Do you like the tower? What are your thoughts on the tower? How about your thoughts?
I don't like heights.
So you loved this place then, didn't you?
Favorite place.
Narrow heights with just a little platform underneath you. I always like to find the markers too. This one says Berry Hill, 1971 for the elevation. And this marker was placed here in 1942. Very neat. I always like checking out these maps. Kind of gives you a perspective of where you are and some of the other attractions in the area. Such an incredible day up here today weather-wise. Really good views. And those fair weather clouds with that deep blue sky make an excellent landscape. He said he wanted to run down the road. Are we gonna beat Mommy back to the car? These fire towers are some of my favorites. There's always a lot of unique stuff to see, and you never quite know what you're getting into. I love it.